Home sweet home. Pretty plain and simple, but I'm going to show you how I make it a little bit better. Welcome on in. I'm Vicky with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's get started.
With painting it. I decided I want to do this a cobalt blue. It's from Apple Barrel. It's just a matte finish, darker blue color. And we're just going to go ahead and paint the whole thing. And we're going to do the back as well, just to have it finished product. Okay, now we painted the back and the front. We're going to set this off to the side for just a minute. We're going to take these, they're called slim sticks, and we're going to use these as a border for our project. So I probably need probably about 4 of these all together. And these almost look like, like wood stir sticks for like coffee kind of thing. They're called slim sticks. Believe you can find them in the wood pile section. We're just going to paint these an off-white color. We're going to just do our light buttermilk. So these will be our trim pieces. So pretty easily. So after we paint those, we're going to set those off to the side. And we're going to do roof pieces. So these are basically, we're going to use these as the roof. But I want to go ahead and we're going to stain these. Stain these with our antique wax. So those are all painted. Now, while I'm deciding if I want to do, I want to use these. These are from Dollar Tree. This is just a wood slab. It came with a hanger on it. So I've got to decide if I want the wood, the straight, or if I want the round. And I think we're going to go with the round. Yeah, I think we're going to go with the round. And basically, I want to also do this as well. And we're going to put our little trim pieces on here. Now we have the trim on our little house, which I absolutely love how that looks. Now we want to go ahead and do, on each side, we want to put our roof. Okay, so we glued on the roof, which is super cute. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to put our piece on here. And we're just going to kind of center it a little bit because I do want to put trees on each side of our little home here. Alright, so we glued that on and we're just going to, oops, we're going to let that sit for about an hour to go ahead and set up. See, there's open spots on each side. And we're going to just take, these are bottle brush trees that I got around Christmas time. I did paint them green because they did have white on them. However, I didn't want it to look like snow for this particular project. So we're going to just cut it all the way down. Our tree is going to go ahead and rest on the ground like this. So we're just going to take our glue. Oops. Oops. Open the bottle. And put a generous helping on. And then I have 2 more. Okay, now that we're glued on, we've got the trees glued, we've got everything glued, looks good, just kind of last minute finishing touches. I like this, but I like the idea of this part being greens, like real greens. And I've got this, which is just like it's like a wire, it's a wire, but it's got the vines on it. And we're going to just take a little bit of it. And we're going to put that down here. Because I really like the way that looks. But then the light will still be able to shine through it. It's not going to hurt anything. In fact, I actually also have just this little bitty heart. Since there's a heart up here, there is a heart down here already. But what if we put a heart in here as well? Like, that might be kind of fun too. In fact, actually, I think I want to see what it looks like when I double this. That might be too much. It might be a little bit too much. So we'll just keep it simple, and we'll just do one round, one bunch of it. So we'll just put it like that. We'll get this little heart, and I can paint this little heart if I want to. I kind of want to just leave it the lighter color right now. We want to, we can change it later. All right, that's super cute. I love the way that looks. That's gonna look good. All right. Other thing, I got this little bitty, it's a little frog. How cute is that? He's gonna go in here too. Let's go ahead. I need something to help. There we go. Help hold it up here. We're going to get this little frog. I actually got these from Temu, but I'm sure you can find little miniatures somewhere. Frog in there. I also have a bunch of little baby pine cones that I've collected over time, just because I like have some extra little, because in my home sweet home, I like the look of little pine cones. Let's get a few going over here on this other side. All right, and that is how cute this project is going to be finished. All right, this is absolutely a great makeover for this little home sweet home, you guys. I love how this turned out. I love all the different colors and all the different things, and when it lights up, it's actually pretty cool looking because of the darker blue. It actually looks a little bit better. All right, keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.